So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to transfer data from Pixel 10 to new phone on Android 17. Full migration guide. So prepare your phones. Charge both phones at least 70% or keep them plugged in so they don't die during the transfer. Ensure your Pixel 10 is turned on, unlocked and connected to Wi-Fi. Have your USB-C to USB-C cable on hand for the fastest transfer speed. So first method is wireless transfer process. Turn on the new phone and tap get started. Connect to your Wi-Fi network when prompted. Wait for the copy and apps and data screen to appear. Then tap next on your new phone to use your old device. Unlock your Pixel 10 when the setups your new device prompt appear. Then tap setup on the Pixel 10 notification. Scan the QR code shown on the new phone using your Pixel 10 camera. Verify your identity by entering your Pixel 10 screen lock pin on the new phone. Choose your data by selecting Express or customize choose specific files. Tap copy and keep both phones close together until the screen says done. Second method is wire cable transferred. Turn on the new phone and follow the initial language setup screen. Stop at the copy apps and data screen. Connect a USB-C cable to your Pixel 10 and the new phone. Then tap trust or allow on the Pixel 10 if prompted to share data. Select the item you transfer like photos, message or contact on the new iPhone or phone. Tap copy to initiate the high-speed wired transfer. Disconnect the cable only when the new phone shows transfer complete. Thanks for watching.